I want to cover this, and we're going to cover it quick because we got 5 minutes left in class, but your homework's going to be part of it. I'll post some new homework when I get to my office right now. And also some new reading. So we did through chapter 5, and I'm going to have you all go through 6 and maybe 7 because we got a weekend. And I think maybe just 6 because 7 gets into set theory. If I do give you 7, scroll down to set theory, and there'll be nice pictures there. But here we're going to talk about select. So we already know select column from table, select star from table, select ID, name, salary from company. And then we have operators and expressions. And we have select from and where. Select star from company where salary is equal to 10,000. And so we could use this where to put in different conditions to evaluate, and it'll return records where it's true, where salary is equal to 10,000. Yeah.
Question. So you put like say where salary is less than 10,000.
Yeah. Yeah, that also works. And so here are the operators you could use. And you've got like operators and operands. So this is an operator. These are operands. Okay? Operator, operand. Operator, operand. This is operating on A and B. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we got plus, minus, multiplication, division. Modulus will give the remainder. So 4 modulus 5 will give you, or is it 5 modulus 4? Gives you 1. 5 modulus 4 didn't give me anything. Oh, thanks. Hey, 5 modulus 4, 4 modulus 5.
Oh, so put select and then 4 modulus 5.
All right, Louise. 4 modulus 5 gave me 4. What about 5 modulus 4? Gave me 1. So the remainder of 5 divided by 4 is 1. So you read it as if it's divide, but it gives you the remainder. And then you have exponents, square, cube, factorial, factorial, equal, not equal, right? Greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not, or, and then bit string operators. We're going to talk about those. And then we have expression, so those are the operators. Where, condition, or expression. So an expression is a combination of one or more values, operators, or functions that evaluate to a value. So this would be an expression where salary equals to 10,000 is an expression. It evaluates to true or false. All right, so we use those with the where clause. Select, and here's count. Count star is records from company. All right, I'm trying to go too fast. But that's where. So I will put up what you need to do for your homework, and I'll see you all next week. Have a good weekend.